All right. Look, here's the thing, Celine. Um, we are on stream now, but sometimes it takes a couple seconds to activate it. But I see on YouTube we're here. So chat. Good morning. How are we doing?
Hello.
How are we doing? I see a setup actually on NQ for a short, but I'm long biased, so not gonna take that. Good morning, everybody. Let us know, how are you? How was your day yesterday? Green, red, flat. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're crushing it. And let's get it. Aline, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. It's a sunnier day here in Bali. Much better than yesterday. Yesterday was a miserable, gloomy day. Still 30 degrees here, but yesterday was just horrible with rain. So feeling better because the sun's out. And yeah, looking forward, hopefully, a bit more better luck on the charts for me today because yesterday, as you guys all know, I got ticked out by that from that TP yesterday. So yeah, still a bit bummed about that. But you know what? We live to see another trading day. And that's the thing with trading. You can literally come back the next trading session the next day and make the money. So I'm good to go, feeling a bit luckier today. And I'm wearing white. As you can see, I don't know where your white is. What's happening
Hey,
there?
hey, I'm wearing my black Tradeify hoodie. That's
Oh, okay, okay. All
hoodie
right, you
for me is
passed.
always black usually. Shirt is always white. The difference is today I'm actually gonna go play squash right after stream, so gotta be ready.
Oh,
Gotta
I
be
see, I
ready.
see. Well, yes,
Um,
hopefully the YT Wednesday brings me luck and we'll see what we get.
Hey, it better does. It better does. Actually, people are saying in the chat, Mr. Producer, that my audio is coming through a little bit quiet. So maybe you can turn my gain up a bit. People can hear me better. But besides that, let's actually start looking at the charts. So NQ on the daily. Let's look at it. I mean, yesterday was an interesting day, certainly with that push down and then moved right back up. Today's open was at 25,667.50. We made a little bit of a downwick retest the previous day mid and are now pushing up, which is quite interesting. On the hourly here, we can see, actually, you know what? I'm going to go to the 5-minute instead, 15-minute instead of the hourly. So we have some more reference points. But basically, I said from the open, we pushed down a bit and are now making our way up, retesting previous day high, pretty close now. And maybe let's see if we can get a push up or not. Celine, you said before that you're looking to sweep the 822 level. Is that right?
Yeah. Yep, yep.
So
So
822 and then shorts. What are you looking
Thursday's
for?
high, yeah.
Okay. Let's see if you can get that, or if it just pushes right back down. Actually, did ES sweep that level? Did you check?
Let's check.
Yeah, ES did.
Thursday's high.
Well,
Yes.
yeah. Well,
Well,
ES's Thursday high is way lower.
a long time ago. Yeah. um. Well, yeah. This is the thing. We have already swept previous day high, so I am already short biased because we're also sweep. We also have the sweep of the previous 4 hour high, and at the moment, no bottom wick on the 4 hours. So I'm looking to get in that distribution of the 4 hour candle. Although I just wanted to hopefully see it sweep into that 822 level as a bit more of a confirmation because it's a higher time frame key level. So I'd prefer for it to get back up there, spike through that level, and then take shorts. But hey, we've already got that sweep of the previous 4 hours. So for me, confirmation's there. If I get the setup, I'm still going to take shorts. So that's all I'm looking at. And I would love to see a bit of a retracement because as you can see, since pretty much we got the pop on Monday and we've been trading higher and higher, we've still been having these small retracements during the day. So not like big sell-off moves, but these sort of low range push downs during London, or this sort of move that we saw on Tuesday during New York, and then we've just been pumping higher. So I'd like to see London today do a little bit of a retracement, and then obviously bullish on the high time frame. And yeah, I think what I'm looking at on the daily is this bearish daily fair value gap up above, which is sitting at 877, the low of that fair value gap. So that's definitely a draw on price for me where I think we potentially could get to. Whether that happens today or whether that happens later in the week, yeah, that's just a point of reference for me to seek higher prices. But for now, since we're intraday, I will be taking shorts off that 4-hour PO3.
Yeah, this actually looks very nice for sure. It's depending where this 4-hour candle closes. Maybe we can even get it on the 30-minute. But I'm also looking for shorts at this point. Also, chat, the like goal for today. We have a new milestone to achieve because the like goal is 400. If you haven't already, make sure you smack that like button's face. Get us to 400 likes, and we're going to do a giveaway for you. A risk it for the tick. Are we going to fade each other for the day as well? Well, maybe. Who knows?
Well,
Who
we're
knows?
yin and yang again, so hopefully
Yeah.
we don't fade each other. Yin and yang's meant to work well together, so
Yeah,
let's
that's
get
true.
the win.
I feel like we are working well together. It's just that we sometimes fade each other.
But yesterday was like the complete opposite. Yesterday we were both fading and we both we got NASDAQ'd pretty much.
We got NASDAQ, but both break even. So I actually do see a nice short setup on gold here. So I am gonna potentially take a stab at that. It would be, if I enter here, it would be a 5-point stop. Yeah, I am gonna take that actually. I am in a gold short, chat.
Gold. So talk us through it. What were the confirmations?
So here's what I'm looking at right now. We did on the hourly, we did sweep the previous hour's high. These candles in the middle here. Previous hour high was swept, right? We had a nice candle 2 closure. We had a change in state of delivery once we closed through the 4121.7 level and retested the fair value gap, rejected it, and are now making our way lower. So this is an ideal setup for me. Also because it happened at the previous day mid level, which is an important level on any asset, right? So I just entered this. My fill on this was 4120.3, stop at 25.2, and target is going to be 4110.3. So going for a 2-to-1 R on this gold trade.
Nice.
And
I
as
think there's
usual,
definitely room.
Yeah, as usual, I will. Actually, the TP is a bit higher. TP is going to be 4110.4. As usual, I will move break even at the 1 hour, and I will move to 1 hour at 1.5 hour. So same plan as usual. Nothing special.
It's been a decent move so far, which is good.
Yeah, let's see.
We like to
By the
see
way,
that.
chat, if anybody ever had problems yesterday with Project X, you probably saw on Discord, Tradeify has reset your account to Friday's end of day balance if yesterday you were lower than on Friday. If you were higher than on Friday, you obviously were able to keep your profits. But that was a pretty sick move because I had an issue yesterday with Project X. I entered a 5-mini trade. It changed my contract size to 5 minis, even though I was on 1. And then I lost like 3,700. But I got reset and everything to Friday's balance.
Tradeify is the best, honestly.
Tradeify is goated.
Goated.
Absolutely goated.
And how is the chat doing today? Who is green? Who is red? Has anyone traded this session already? Anyone in any shorts? I mean, NASDAQ has pretty much been dumping since that 25,810 level. Is anyone in this?
Hey, Mursal, you might want to double check your research. London session always starts at 3 a.m. Eastern, not 2 a.m. Suriluki, the lunch guy, is asking, who had lunch today? Well, Celine did. I didn't yet.
My lunch is just the same, honestly. I'm quite the boring. I like to have like a regimented routine. So I just have my omelet, my 3-egg omelet, mushrooms, tomatoes, and on sourdough toast with a bit of avocado.
Tomatoes.
Keeping it healthy, yeah?
Actually, you know what? I could write my entries here. So I'm short 5 MGC at 4120.3. There you go, chat. That way you can see it better.
I would love for Nasdaq to hold this, to make this bearish FEG on the 15-minute, and then maybe get a tap into that, which sweeps the previous 15, and then sell off from there.
I can see that happening. I can see that happening.
Fun with folds. Obviously, no ketchup with my eggs. Ew.
Well, you're
That's
missing
even
out.
more insane than ketchup on
No,
steak.
no,
Ketchup
no.
on eggs?
Like, yeah, that's actually what a lot of people do. I do it too, obviously. But
I know you do it.
even Matt agrees with that, and Matt disagrees with ketchup on steak heavily. So
Wow, that must be like an American thing or something. I don't know about that.
No, like sunny side up with ketchup. It's best. Love it.
Oh, with the yolks too? What?
Yeah, hell yeah.
That is crazy. Nice. The good news was in a short earlier in NQ. Must be, have you hit TP? Looks
Gold
good for the
is trying to push down here. I like the move. It's struggling a bit at this 118 level, but I think once we get the push through that and we go down to like 17, we're gonna see 1 hour and 1.5 hour very, very quickly.
Yep, it looks good.
Manfred, so maybe I am your daughter then, because I eat ketchup with everything. At this point, it's not even steak with ketchup, it's ketchup with steak.
I cannot believe still that that's your go-to steak condiment. Like, there are so many better sauces. So many.
Well, look, I like a good peppercorn sauce too. That's not an issue at all.
So if there was peppercorn and ketchup on the table, what are you going for?
Depends on the day. Depends on the day.
Hey, loving nature guy, I'm doing well. How are you? Is anyone also still in the running for Tradeify Grand Cup? How's everyone doing with the on the leaderboard?
They better be doing better than us.
I don't think it's hard to be doing better than us. Since we didn't last the first week.
Hey, Gold, what the fuck are you doing? That. Turn around. Turn around.
Wrong way.
Definitely the wrong way. What the hell? No, but I still like the trade. As said, trade is only going to be invalidated once we actually come up to 25.3. So it's a good trade. I would take this literally any day. Any day. Let's see. NQ is trying to push down. Would be annoying if it would work out on NQ and not on gold. But I don't like this 3-minute candle on gold. That is looking like it's going to stop me out. I'm only risking $245 though, so we should be good. Oh my God, trading markets is back. Oh God, no.
Who's this?
Probably gets
a
title for most annoying comments.
No short gold, you get wrecked.
Basically, whatever I do, he says the opposite. And then when he's right, he said, "I told you so." And when he's not right, he's just gone from the chat.
Oh my God. Oh, we'll see what happens with this.
Yeah. I mean, if this level holds here, 23.78, then cool. But it doesn't look like it. It looks like it wants to sweep first. See, he already says I'm always right. Hey, dudes, you still trading markets? You know we had a bet. You still got to call me the gold king.
Oh.
All right, I got stopped out on this minus 250 on this trade. I didn't expect that to push like this.
Yeah, it was such a strong push to begin with.
Was looking nice at first. Trading markets, I don't give a shit. We had a bet. The chat saw it, so.
I'd like to know before it happens though, trading markets, where do you think we're heading on NQ? Because if you say it before and then it happens, and we can give you that one. But if you say it after it happens, then it doesn't really count. So we are currently trading at 25,775 on the NASDAQ. In 5 minutes time, are we higher or lower? I need to know. Trading markets. What are we doing?
Look at his comment. Don't mess with the veterans. Ex-bank trader, man.
I want to know what he thinks. Maybe he has some inside information.
Maybe.
Up or down? Future here, down to the hell. Well, I hope for my sake that we're going to get a tap into this 15-minute bearish FVG that's now formed, and that would also be sweeping the previous 15-minute high. Perfect for my setup for shorts. And until then, I won't be entering.
That makes sense. Let's see. Oh, shit. You know, I made a stupid mistake. I didn't set my stop loss above the fair value gap. Dummy. If this rejects now, that would be total my mistake.
Doesn't look like it wants to reject.
Loving Nature Guy, what's my take on MGC? Well, I'm still short biased if this holds. If the fair value gap holds, I'm still short biased. If it doesn't, then no clue. Yeah, Pew Trades. Definitely A+ setup, short on gold. That was very clean. I might even re-enter this if we reject here. Actually, I will.
All right, and I just got my sweep of the previous 15 on NASDAQ. So I am currently hunting for a setup. So if this 1 minute FVG holds on the 1 minute here, this bullish FVG, if we can confirm that when this candle closes and then get an inversion of that to the downside, I will be market entering that. So let's see what we get.
Let's see what we get. Okay, gold is pumping through this. So glad I got out. I only lost 250 on this, so small trade. A small trader. Traderins.
Just a small loss.
Keep your losses small and your winners big.
Keep your losses small and your winners bigger.
So Rob, you made $900 on that GC short. How many contracts were you in? You must have been in 4.5 minis, which is kind of crazy. Because the most I was up was $100.
Pew Trade's saying you might be getting a C2 in the bias direction.
Wait. Not seeing that. Where's this comment? Oh, now I see it. Yeah, maybe. On the 30-minute, we might get a candle 2 closure for the upside. Let's see. So maybe Celine and I will fade each other again.
Oh no. That didn't work well for us yesterday.
What's that?
Well, the fading didn't work too well for us yesterday, so...
No, it didn't. Well, I mean, to be fair, we both got stopped out break even.
Well, hey, that was the better of the results. There was a chance we could have both been SL'd on that stopped out.
That would have sucked.
That would have really sucked. Carly caught the shorts on gold 4,800 today. Nice. Banking. Son of Wall Street, I am from Australia, but I'm living in Bali. But originally, Aussie.
Son of Wall Street, you don't ask a woman her age. Learn some manners.
How rude.
Sheesh, gold is pumping. Gold is pumping.
Come on, NASDAQ. This is a A+ setup for me, guys. I really want to get this, but if it just decides to pump higher. And also, if we don't get this inversion by 25, then I wait, and I'll be waiting for the next 15 minutes to open. So we got 5 minutes.
Chat, I just refreshed the like count. We're currently sitting at 121 likes. We need 400 for today. So if you haven't already, make sure you smack that like button. Come on, do it. Do it.
Do it. Pankaj, I am looking for shorts, but I have a feeling my co-host is not.
Yeah, well, right now I'm kind of neutral. I'm waiting to see what happens with this 30-minute candle. Because if it rejects here and we have a bearish close on the 30-minute, I'm looking for shorts as well. But if we have a bullish close, well. Peter says, team, please concentrate. Wait, are you talking to us or are you talking to
us?
the chat for the like count? Focus on the like count, chat. All right, gold is now at daily open. This candle 3 closure is invalidated. Well.
Well. Who is Stockstown? I'm fading you then. All right, well, good luck. I'm not actually in anything yet, so I hope you get these longs, because I haven't actually had a confirmation yet to short, but good luck.
Future here says, come on, Nick, the target is way too high. Dude, the target yesterday was 395. It's 5 more.
Come on, Nick. He's saying.
Yeah, it just sounds like it's so much more, but it's 5 more than yesterday.
You guys can do it. Come on.
100%. We're already at 156. So chat, next week, Thursday and Friday, you're going to have Celine all to yourself. I'm not going to be here. Going to be
sadly,
AI
guys.
stream.
Who knows? Anything could happen. Just AI and you guys.
It's true. It's true.
You have me all to yourself.
Maybe my AI goes crazy and it's like, full board everything.
You never know.
Joker,
all right, we are
you look
actually
beautiful.
Oh, Joker's in the chat. Hey, Joker.
Yes, he's always here. G-Balls. No, I'm actually going to Miami to meet the Tradeify TV New York team. Gonna be funny. Gonna be funny.
Yes, guys. So please be nice to me next week, because I'll be on my own, and it's my first stream really ever doing it on my own. So if we have tech issues or if we have any sort of malfunctions, just bear with me, because I'll be learning it as we go. It should be good. We'll have some fun.
ASP, I'm only wearing a black hoodie. We're good. We're good. Don't worry. For a New York streamer, we're gonna be wearing a shirt. Shirts are always white. You know that. Hey, gold. What the hell? What are you doing? Well,
NASDAQ as well. Just pushing higher now. Didn't want to see that.
Well, but NASDAQ is slowly pushing higher. Gold is like going crazy right now. From my entry, gold has shot up 15 points.
What the fuck? I didn't have gold open. I just realized. What the
I should have taken longs.
Crazy. Well, this is not what I wanted to see on NASDAQ. I mentioned I wanted to see this bearish fair value gap on the 15-minute hold and be respected, but it looks like that might be getting inverted now. So this technically now just looks like that little dip was just a retracement, and maybe we are still going to push up higher into that 822 level. So we'll see. I'm still short biased. I'm not going to take longs today because that would be going against the system, but I will see what we get.
Why are you short biased though?
So short bias because as soon as we get this, I mean, higher time frame bullish, but in the London session, I'm short biased because we have a sweep of the previous 4 hour. Well, sweep as in we've traded higher. That's pretty much what I base it off. So once we get the sweep of the high or the low, the previous 4 hour, then I'm looking to trade in the opposing direction.
Okay.
To catch like the distribution, but obviously, like, it's not always, NASDAQ doesn't always move like that. Like some days we could just have,
I mean, the reason why I ask
dip
is
like how we have now, like that little wick.
Really quick, we did blast through previous Asia highs. We now retested it almost to the tick and are pushing up higher. So there's no reason for me to be short biased at this point.
Yeah, it doesn't look like the cleanest day to be taking shorts, I will admit, but that's how the system plays out.
Yeah,
on days like this, it's not ideal to be taking shorts because we are just so bullish on the high time frame. So I'm just hoping to catch little retracements, but I think definitely a higher time frame we're just going to keep pumping higher.
The problem is, for me to take a long, my setup is only going to appear once we actually close through 811. So that's longing the high. Not the ideal scenario for longs.
Oh, MM was asking, sorry, I didn't see your comment. How do you determine your bias? I guess like the way I trade in the London session, it's not really formed off bias though. It's more formed off what has the 4 hour candle done. And in relation to that, I will take my trades based on that. So if we had it traded all the way down, taken the previous 4 hour low, I would have been bullish today in the session, looking for longs. I shouldn't say bullish because yes, I am still bullish on the high time frame, but I am looking for shorts in the current session, trying to just take a piece of the little retracements that we get. And I see that once we have traded higher than the previous 4 hour high, I expect us to have some sort of distribution to the downside, and the wick, the sweep of the previous 4 hours is like our manipulation. So that's how I see it, but it doesn't always play out like that. See how we've already traded, we have created that bottom wick on the 4 hour. So that could be the tiny wick that we get today, and we might just keep pumping higher. So yeah, we will see what we get.
Chat, I'm going to refresh. I'm going to refresh the like count again. 193. Corey, yeah, there's always somebody who said something.
Scalping trades. Celine have X where we can follow her trades. Yes, I do. You can follow me at on X, Celine Trades, and on my Instagram, Celine.trades. If you want to have a look at my past trades.
Yeah, Abu. I do not redeem it. Sometimes my alter ego really wants to come out. Go ahead.
For some reason, it's whenever you hear those words, do not redeem it.
Why is that?
Some strange reason.
Uncle Roger wants to come out as well, by the way.
Uncle Roger?
You don't tell me you don't know Uncle Roger.
I don't think I know Uncle Roger.
Oh, why, Celine? Hiya, why you don't know Uncle Roger?
Oh, no. That's so good.
Why are you scared of peanuts?
Nick, I feel like in a past life, you were definitely Uncle Roger.
Hiya, why you vegan? Go eat leaf.
Have you considered a job in voiceover acting? Honestly, you're pretty
Well,
good at it.
well, I am sometimes voiceover acting for Tradeify. I did the voiceover for the Grand Cup.
We should get Uncle Roger to do like a stream, just Uncle Roger takes over.
That would be so funny. Oh, I love doing accents. But I don't want to offend people, so I can't do them anymore. How very unfortunate. Okay. Hiya. All right, let's see if we get a NQ close through 811. Joking. Yeah, that would be a good one too. Go, why you sort me out? I said go short, why you go long? Hiya.
That is too good.
Griffin, why do you want the Japanese? Today I'm gonna buy you a squash and then we're gonna buy Sapporo sushi, okay?
It
All right,
doesn't look like it should be coming out of your Swiss head. Like
I gotta stop now. Shh, don't tell.
You're gonna get cancelled.
Don't tell management, please.
Too late. They're probably gonna watch this back.
Shit.
Guys, if you don't see Nick here tomorrow, we know why. Management watched it.
Yeah, well.
Loving nature guy. If Celine says to like it, you would get 1,000 likes. All right, guys, go like the stream. Do it. Because
now we want to see 1,000.
In a minute. Go, go, go.
Abhishek says you're allowed to do Indian. As an Indian, I approve. Nice. Nice.
Oh shit. I'm getting a setup.
Oh shit. Chat.
I should have been in this. So if this closes now, this current 1 minute candle, we would be inverting the bullish FVG on the 1 minute. And I would just be market entering. Let's just
you know what
see how far.
I see why you're looking for shorts. What I would have liked for the shorts is a sweep of the high, at least on ES or YM or NQ. But YM top ticked it, ES didn't sweep it, and NQ didn't sweep it.
Yeah, look, it would have been all right. I'm in that.
All right.
It would have been much nicer also for me, but I'm just gonna take this because it's not one of my confirmations. It just means okay, it's probably would have been a cleaner setup, but I still got to take it.
I mean, system is system, so well done. Can you can you actually write on your chart Celine's trade so people understand who's taking trades? That would be great.
Celine.
GHXFT trader. No, I can't do African accent. That one is hard. I mean, depending on the country, but it's hard. Also, I can't do American for some reason. I don't know. Hey, what's up, Leia? Yeah, Francesco, I actually just wait for Celine to take a trade, and then I take the opposite trade. That's my system. Obviously not. Jokes.
I'm just going to get the level. So I would be looking to take a contract off at 1R. So I'm just going to...
Well, Francesco, why are you saying I should do German? So German is very different from everything else, okay? And French I can absolutely do, no problem. We can do we can have if Celine eats RTP, we can do some baguette croissant, no problem. Tom, Celine is an AI girl.
Croissant.
A croissant, ouais.
Croissant bleu.
6K82, you likes the Russian, Yuri. No problem. We can do that too. You know, today I'm drinking bottle of vodka. It's very good.
What about New Zealand? New Zealand's an interesting one.
Can't do that. No chance. Yeah, lift yourself up. Dutch is hard as well. I can't do Dutch. That's how it sounds.
Yeah, there's a lot of Dutch people in Bali, and it's the one accent I can't really get used to. It's sort of like a mix of everything. The Trade University. I saw your question, but I have answered it so many times. I'm from Australia. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Wait, Keeper of the Candle says, Nick, assuming you're Irish. What the hell?
What
the
the
fucking Irish
hell?
person?
Where have you been?
Irish. Hey, these shorts are playing out. Nice.
For now. Yeah, maybe I should just add that on my chart. I am from Australia. Just because that's the number one question today.
Mm-hmm. What is Peter, what's Greenland accent? I have no idea. I have no idea. Come on, Vince, open your eyes. On the chart, it literally says Celine's short, Celine's trade. Why do you ask me for my motivation for shorts? I'm not in shorts.
Guys, I'm in shorts. I'll go over the setup though. So what we had was we have already traded. I'll just actually get rid of ES for a second. All right, so we have swept the previous 4-hour highs. You can see on the high time frame candles here. Yes, we have a little bottom wick on the 4-hour, but nevertheless, I am just still looking for us to get some sort of distribution to the downside on this current 4-hour. So this wick being our manipulation, and then my trade hoping to be part of the distribution. So I only took the entry though, because we also had aligned with this a sweep of the previous 15-minute high. So that was also the confirmation of the PO3 happening on the 15-minute. We had it on the 4-hour. And then along with that, my reason to enter the short was only if we had an inversion on the 1 minute. So that's my basically confirmation to see that bears have a bit of control back now, have any inversion. That area is no longer a level that was holding any sort of, although it's a 1 minute level, it's not as strong as a high time frame FEG, but it definitely having a strong displaced move like this and inverting is still a strong signal that bears could take it lower here. So that is why I entered, and it's just a market order, so I'm not missing out on anything, and targeting 2R. So we'll see what we get.
Let's see. All good, Vince. I'm just playing.
Sorry.
Yeah, like depending on where this. What the hell is my cat doing? 1 second. That was like the weirdest meow ever. Like, what the hell?
Oh,
What the hell was that? What the hell?
hello.
What the hell?
What's his name?
That's the girl.
Oh,
Fluffy.
that's the girl.
Fluffy is her name.
Oh,
Why did you meow?
she looks fluffy.
She wants to fight.
Oh no, she wants to get down.
I'm just gonna put her on my shoulders, and then that's how we're gonna stream from now on.
Oh, will she sit there?
Sometime,
Oh,
but now she won't.
nah, she said the charts look shit. I'm out.
He's like, oh, you lost on gold? Loser. I'm gonna get out of here. Yeah, now she wants to go out. No, come. So she sits in front of the door, and then she like cries to get in. Then you open the door, you let her in, and then she wants to go out. It's like, what the hell?
Confused. My cat was the same. Can never make up their minds.
See. MM is asking, are you in with 2 minis?
I am in with 2 minis, yes, and I'm copy trading properly today, guys. I'm copy trading this across my evals, so
You better.
not like yesterday. I really don't know what was up in the air yesterday. Like, what was happening yesterday? I don't know. I malfunctioned.
I don't
Nick,
know.
you got to take a look back at that coding.
At what?
At my coding, at my programming, whatever happened yesterday, we cannot have that happen again on stream.
Yeah,
Mal-
I actually programmed some errors on purpose so that people would think you're not AI, although you're AI.
Oh,
Kind of like,
I
make
see.
it more human.
What a strange loving nature guy, Celine. You look innocent.
You look
Okay.
innocent. What kind of comment is that?
Okay.
Some of you guys are crazy, chat. Let me refresh the like count for you. We are currently sitting at 250. 250. So make sure you smack the like button. We need 150 more to do 50K growth account giveaway. Yeah, by the way, CPI is not going to be this week, chat. I'm very, very sad. I wanted to make a lot of money tomorrow, and now I can't. I just hope it's not going to be next Thursday, because that would mean I'm going to be on a plane, and that would suck, because then I can't trade it.
Yeah, look, that would be the worst luck ever for you, really. But maybe I will be able to call the US government and see what they can do.
That would be very nice.
Tell them to just do it a day early because Nick needs to make his money.
Yeah, Ozempic, both Nicks are sick from the ZPI withdrawals.
On the other hand, you could just get your girlfriend to and trade for you.
Yeah, I will do that. If I'm on the plane, she will do that. But she has to trade her own accounts as well.
Might be a lot to handle. CPI is a crazy,
Let's see.
crazy candle.
Let's see. Nilay, will I take a long if I get a 3-minute CIST off that C2 closure? I would want to, honestly, I would want to see a close through 811 before taking longs. I would long the highs here, but hey, this seems like the kind of setup where you buy high and sell higher. I do like how we're moving, and that we're respecting previous 30-minute equilibrium. This looks nice for longs. Or is lean?
Yes, sadly, I'm in a bit of drawdown here, but it is the setup.
Vince, yeah, TradeSyncer can do that, yeah. Carla, can't I trade on the plane? Absolutely not. Because yes, the plane does have Wi-Fi. However, this Wi-Fi is not even nearly fast enough to do my CPI strategy. If I did that on CPI, I would probably just blow my accounts within like 3 seconds.
Yeah, look, although it would make some crazy sick content, like making heaps a shit ton of money in the sky, I don't advise that.
Future here, what is your win rate so far? Well, who are you asking? Celine or I?
I saw also someone was asking, I forgot to mention, Baba Yaga, Celine, what is the indicator you use that gave that IFEG? It's just it's an indicator that I got built by a PineScript developer to just print my signal. So it's not actually available publicly, but if you did want access, you can send me a DM and I can share that with you.
Son of Wall Street, Nick M. Remember Mick's son? Yeah, of course. I remember.
Sandra wants to know about my trading journey, but I don't know if we have a lot of time. Pretty much, to sum it up, I pretty much got into trading in 2020, the first time. Actually, well, my dad used to trade. So the first time I ever saw like anything like candlesticks and that, all of that was when I was actually like really little and I had no idea what the hell it was. And he used to have this book that was like everything about candlestick patterns and all this. And it just went over my head, obviously, because I was like 5 years old. But The first time I took it seriously and actually started to trade was in COVID in 2020. But I didn't take it seriously enough, and it was sort of more of like a hobby. And I didn't really, as soon as like we went back to work, and the lockdowns were over, I just sort of gave it up and let that go. But coming into the end of 2023, around October, I decided to open the charts up again, and I was sort of getting really sick of the whole, as you all probably get it, like the 9 to 5 routine. And I was looking for something that could get me out of that and give me that freedom. So I started to seriously trade every session in 2023. So as you can understand, in Australia, that was a bit crazy because of the time zone. So I'd be finishing up work, coming home for the London session, trading London, and then a bit of New York, and then going to bed and doing it all over again each and every day. And then it wasn't until the end of that year that I just thought, well, if I'm going to try this, I want to go all in and really see if I can make this work, because I was feeling like I couldn't really do both, like having to juggle my 9 to 5 and trade full time. So I also didn't just, so I quit, but I also had other streams of income. So it wasn't like a crazy, like, just quit my job and risk it all. So I did have other forms of income. So I quit at the end of 2023 and went all in. And so traded a full year, 2024. And then became profitable only at the beginning of this year. So it took me a whole year and a bit to actually start to see the reward of my work, but literally spent 2024 waking up every day, looking at the charts, back testing. I jumped around with different models, different concepts, and finally got something to stick at the beginning of 2025, and here I am. And that's pretty much it.
Nice. RF asking Nick, a private plane. Look, I make good money, but not that kind of money yet. So still gotta put in some more work before I can do that. For now, it's gonna be commercial.
But yeah, I encourage you guys, if you do want to take trading up full time and you are still trying to juggle your job with it, definitely make sure you build up some sort of buffer, because it is hard and it will take a while before you start to see the results of your work in monetary form. So yeah, definitely don't just quit. I made sure that there was a bit of a financial backing there, but yeah.
Yeah, we did get a change in state of delivery on the 15-minute. This actually does look nice.
Yeah, it looks like I'm going to get stopped in these shorts.
This is looking nice for longs, chat. So we might be taking the longs even when we close through 804 on the 3-minute. This is going to be nice.
Scalp and cry. I trade London and New York, but it's just that I trade this system in London and not New York. That's just based on the backtested data.
Luke,
Tom Slink. Oh, go.
I was just about to say, Luke, commercial, yeah, not first class, but business class. Not at first class level yet either, but business class all the way, of course. First class is another level. Like, think about it. Like a commercial flight from Zurich to Miami and back, like economy costs like, I think, 1,000. Business costs like about 6,000, and then first costs like 12. So
I just got stopped on that, guys, by the way. So we are out of those shorts. Took an L on the evals, but we'll see if we get another setup.
The Trader University. Hey, Nick, do you think Indians are smarter IQ than European? As I can see a lot of Indians in your stream. Well, first of all, you had like 3 typos in your phrase. Second of all, I do think there are a lot of smart people and there are a lot of stupid people, both in India and Europe. So I don't know. Maybe. BP, yeah, absolutely. I fly with air miles as well. But you still pay a price, like So I pay with air miles, but then you have to pay an additional fee. So for example, for me, business class flight from Zurich to Miami costs like 85,000 air miles plus $500. So you fly cheap if you have the air miles. That's true. Risk it for the tick. Nick, Batman or Iron Man? Look, I'll just get up from my chair and you look at my chair, please.
That's sick.
And then you look at my wrist. And then you should
No
have your
way.
answer.
That's sick. How did you get that on your chair?
It's
Custom.
a collab between Batman the brand and Secret Lab the chair.
Oh, I never seen them do that.
Pretty sick. I think they have Iron Man too and Superman.
I'm Iron Man all the way.
Well, Zempic, you got it, man. You got it. Everything I'm doing is so I can buy a Batmobile. That's very true. Very, very true.
That would be sick.
The Matrix Batman. Are you Batman? Well, I'm Batman. Nick, someone told me you have candlestick tattoos on your neck. Who the fuck told you that?
What the?
That's not true. Oh yeah, shit. I wanted to go long here actually. It's a good point. Yeah, but I either want to break first or retest of a fair value gap.
Oh wait, did you say Joker was your best friend? That makes sense now.
One of my best friends, yeah.
Batman and
But
Joker.
I still don't understand why he's Joker.
Oh. Well, it kind of makes sense.
Hey, Mick, ask one more time and I'll ban you from the chat. Corey, how are the Secret Lab chairs? I mean, I sit a lot every day and I love the chair. It's great. Hey, 100% Ozempic. Look, Batman and Iron Man are the only two that their superpower is actually just being rich as fuck. So I love that. Son says, make me Robin. What did you do for work before trading? You're asking me or Celine? If you ask a question, make sure you address it to Celine or me.
Ghost Trader says we're going to dump now. Well, I don't know if I trust it.
Hey, Marky Make Mario, what's up? Also rocking the Secret Lab chair. Nice. Nice. King the Wanderer, Nick, why are your shorts cringy? Hey,
Okay.
I don't know.
In saying that, sorry, Nick, I just got another setup, so I had to take it.
He's in and out of short, guys.
I will just mark that out here.
Scalp.
I know, call me crazy, but.
Well, what are you targeting?
I'm just tour, but I'm just gonna put the TPs in.
I still like it for long, Celine. I'm sorry.
I know. I think I'm gonna get stopped out. It's okay. You can like it for longs. I just want to take a piece of it. I think we also are going higher, but I just want to get a bit of a retracement here. If it wants to give it to me.
Hey, chat, we're almost 500 people, but we're nowhere close to 400 likes. We're sitting at 299. Come on, chat. Coho.
I got a pretty good feel on that.
Nice. Coho, do we have ketchup chips where I live? Yeah, we do. They're fire. They are fire.
You're lying.
Ketchup Pringles. They're awesome.
Wait, actually? That's
Yeah.
a thing?
Yeah. Look here. Look on my screen. Ketchup Pringles.
That's got to be an American thing. Swiss
Well,
people would not eat that.
Well, we do, apparently.
Or maybe it's just a you thing. Wow.
They're sick.
That would be so strange.
Good entry on your short there.
Hey?
Good entry on your short.
Yeah, it's a good fill. Just right where the candle closed, and then be happy to just. I'll be going break even, guys, if we do get to the 1 hour, and then I will just let the rest go.
Oh shit! We have a fucking genius in the chat. Success Joe says you would get stopped out if you don't set a stop loss. That's actually so smart.
What?
That is fucking genius. Never thought of that.
Gems in the chat again.
Stockstown, what's my favorite setup in London? Well, doesn't matter if it's London or New York, but just candle 2 closures and then trading candle 3 with T-Trade's fractal model.
Come on, NASDAQ.
Yeah, my NASDAQ. Yeah, how are market makers going to hunt our stop if we don't have a stop? Hey, Suriluki, if you're there, today I go play squash. What will I have for lunch? I'm asking you now what I have for lunch. Camille, that's actually even more genius. You don't lose when you don't have a stop loss, and then when the broker calls, you just ignore the calls.
Oh my gosh, just hang up. Like, I mean, no, don't even answer. Just like, no one's home. Don't pick up.
Yeah, it's actually funny. I had these weird calls recently, like 5 times a day. Like Margin called me, and I was like, "Who the fuck's that?" I just ignored it.
Hey, same. I think I've had that same number call me before. Just hang up.
Suriluki, sushi, obviously. Hell yeah, you know it. Oh, of course you know it.
Well, Ghost Trader is telling me to hold this for much longer, so maybe I should.
Hey chat, don't mind me taking a screenshot here, but we got a new viewer record for the London stream.
Woo! What are we at?
523.
Let's go.
I think it's a new record. I'm not sure if it was 560 before, but I think it's 520 something.
And now you guys better hit the like button.
Hey.
All 500 of you.
Yes. Look, chat, here's what we're going to do. 400 likes is what we need for a 50K growth account giveaway. If we hit 500 likes today, I'm going to do 2 growth account giveaways.
What?
If we hit 500 likes before 9:20 UK time, so in 23 minutes, we're going to do 2 accounts. Nick is going to fire me, for sure.
You heard him, guys. Go and smash the button. Like, seriously, 20 minutes. It takes 2 seconds, not even 1 second to hit that like button.
Smack it. Otherwise, I can only speak French until the end of the stream.
They probably prefer that.
Yeah, true. I would prefer Uncle Roger though. Okay. Hiya. Hey, YM is dropping. I don't like that for NQ longs, to be honest.
Well, I like that. What do you guys think is going to happen to my trade, though? Are we going to see this one through, or anyone in this with me?
Yeah, Son of Wall Street. Nick S is still sick, unfortunately. Oh, that means he can't fire me.
Let's just give him 10 accounts.
Give them 20 accounts, 500 accounts.
Everybody gets an account. Nick's sick. Everyone gets an account.
Suriluki, current squash score is 68.40 for me. Actually, let me check. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Suriluki, you know your shit. It is 68.40 for me. Leia, you know, I hate oil. I just don't like oil. That shit is miserable. But let me look at it for you. Oh, God, look at this shit. What is that?
I never look at oil. What's it doing? Let's have a look.
Very simply, just taking a look right now, very quickly, Leia. The first real level that you need to pay attention to is this strong wick here from Tuesday, 9:15 a.m. That's sitting at 6.53. And then the next very, very important level is going to be previous day mid. So the midpoint of Tuesday, 60.47. What I could see is that we dive into that and then we go higher again. But as I said, like, I hate oil, and that's just my 2 cents looking at it for 2 seconds. Hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Well, NASDAQ looks like it wants to give me that 1R, hopefully. Come on.
Give her her monies.
Give me all of it. Would be nice.
Come on, chat. 400 like keys for the first account, 500 likes to give away a second account.
And you've got 20 minutes, so go, go, go.
Camille
Smash it.
says, I'd rather poop in my hand and clap than trade oil. I'm with you, Camille.
That is very visual.
I'm with you, but it is very visual.
Thanks for that. Are we going to get this one? Oh, you are not going to do me dirty again. Ugh.
It was a nice retest, though, of your break-even.
All right, we got it.
Through.
We got that one.
Nice. Clean.
We are going to have our stop on break even, and then we're just going to see it through. Let's see if I made back the...
How many points was that for your 1R?
That was not much at all. It was 12 points.
Well, 12 points is 12 points. Roki, I rarely ever take a setup before 3 a.m. New York. Very, very rarely I do. It's not against my rules, but it's definitely not, you know, that the odds are not in my favor.
Ghost Trader is saying to hold the trade till current day's open price, which is all the way
for
25,668. That would be crazy.
For me, since it's hourly, it doesn't have an upwick yet. I'm gonna set an order at 794 on NQ. So 794 for a long on NQ.
Guys, he's gonna do it. He's gonna
only
fade me.
Only if we go up there. Maybe you're already out by then, you know?
Hopefully. Oh, 400 likes. Did we get it?
Did we?
Positive Mind said we did.
Did we, chat? What?
Ghost Trader, it's just my break even is there because I hit 1R. So that's just my system. It could be early, and that's fine if I get stopped here. At least I took money off, but that's how I manage my break even. You could be right.
I see this as, look, here's the way I look at this. We just established the wick to the downside of this hourly candle. We respected the previous hourly 50% point equilibrium. And if we now push up, we are going to go higher, most likely. So that's when I enter the trade at 794. I would go for a 2R with a 31-point stop. So I would aim for 62 points, which is a lot. But I'm looking for this to play out over like the next 3-4 hours or so.
Yeah, right. I can see it.
Let's do the giveaway, chat. The first one. If you get 70 more likes, if we get us to 500, we're going to give away a second account. But all you got to do to take part in this giveaway is you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I send you guys the link to the Google form, fill that Google form out only once. If you fill out more than once, you will get disqualified. Now, I'm going to paste it like 10 times, so good luck. Good luck.
Good luck. And good luck to this trade, because that 1 hour looks disgusting.
Well, Patrick, we don't have CISD in this hourly candle, but we do have CISD on the 15-minute 4-hour. And so on the higher time frame, we already got it. That's what I'm referring to with this trade. Shit, you guys are fast today. 140 people already in the giveaway. Damn. Damn. Damn, I gotta take another screenshot here. We hit 535 now. Nice.
And guys, if you get it to 500 likes, you heard him. Another account, so let's go.
Yep. Can we ban JMPG, Corey? Why? What did he say? Oh, he said, do you have a boyfriend? No, JM, I don't have a boyfriend. I actually have a girlfriend.
Can we ban him?
Fun with Folds, it was 550 watching? Damn, I missed that.
Guys, I don't know what's happening to this. We might be getting stop break even because the 15 minutes just made that steep wick, and that also is the 1 hour lower wick. So we could just be getting stop break even. But yes, I saw someone ask before. I did already take a contract off. So we locked in some money. So we're all good.
The monies. Yeah, well, you might still get it, you know. I'm not in this yet. Steve's Trading Journal, Nick, there's a laser beaming on your face. Yeah, they're actually hunting me right now. Chat, I might be gone in a sec.
The market makers have found him, guys.
Fuck. That would be a lame ass laser though. It's the sun.
Come on, NASDAQ.
Shit, we got 500 likes. Damn, chat. Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, well, that means we're going to do 2 giveaways today. Nick's going to kill me.
We see you. Okay.
Nick is going to kill me, chat. Sheesh. But okay, let's do it. I'm going to pick a winner in 3 minutes. So if you haven't already, fill out the Google form, chat. I'm going to post it again. Make sure you only fill it out once. If you have already, do not fill it out anymore. Lulu, 600 likes for a 3 giveaway? Yeah, fuck it. Let's do it. 600 likes, we're going to give away 3 accounts.
Let's do it.
Then I'm definitely getting fired.
Say goodbye, guys. You're not going to see him again.
Abo, it's the same form. Just fill it out once. Chat, what the fuck is going on? You're actually hitting 600.
Are we actually? Let's go.
We're at
Come on,
585.
chat.
What the hell? What's happening, chat?
Nick's like, oh no. How about 1,000 likes? Graphene says, how about 1,000?
Patrick, you were first. Okay, 1,000 likes. We're gonna give away. Well, that's not possible because we don't have 1,000. At that point, somebody must need to be buying likes. For now, it's still organic. 593. What the hell, guys? I'm getting fired. Chat.
What the hell?
Chat. Oh,
is there even
God.
590 of you here?
No, but some people joined in earlier, liked, and then left, and then new people came in. Yeah, well, I think I'm getting fired, chat. Shit.
You can't back down now, Nick. You promised the chat.
I did.
Guys,
well,
you were getting 3 accounts today.
Worst case, I have to pay for these accounts myself. We did just cross 600 likes, chat. So yeah, hey. We're gonna do 3 accounts. We're gonna do 3.
You did it, guys. And maybe hey Manfred, I think that's his name. Maybe this is your day.
Maybe.
You never know. You know the guy that always says he never wins?
579 people watching, chat. Are we gonna cross 600 today? I mean, if you all tell your grandma and your mom and your dad and your sister and your brother and your cat and your dog, maybe we hit 600. What's happening?
What is happening? And yesterday was 11/11. So strange that we're getting it today. But we love this. We love to see you guys here in the London.
Hey, we're 587 people now. Chat. Spencer, what's up, man? How you doing? Welcome to Tradeify TV. Oh, 600 people watching. Let me do a screenshot. This is fire.
Woo. Everyone
Hey,
literally just went and got their
what's
grandmas.
happening? We're at 629 now. What's happening? We have 1,000 likes. Okay, somebody bought likes. Not cool, chat. Not cool. Do not
Guys.
buy likes. Do not buy likes. We're gonna do 3 giveaways, but because that was organic, but everything after that was not organic anymore. Do not buy likes, chat. Uncool.
That's uncool. We can get there naturally, guys. We don't need to buy likes.
Yep. We did 600 organically, so now it's 1,100 likes, 1,300 likes. Yeah, chat, stop buying bots. It's gonna destroy the stream.
That's not cool.
It's gonna destroy the stream. Don't do it. Don't do it. Stop it. No bots. No bots.
Can we kick them out? Who are these?
No, we have no idea who it is. 1,500 likes. Chat, stop it. Stop the bots. Don't do this again, please. This is annoying. This is annoying. Don't do it.
Guys, we're trying to do something cool and give away 2 extra accounts today. So let's not ruin that.
Yep.
All right, so we're getting this drop on NASDAQ, and I'm hoping maybe we are going to hit full TP here. This 15-minute candle looks insane. Only we've literally dumped since this 15-minute has opened. So are we going to get it?
Let's see. Looking nice for you. Yeah, if we can switch to Celine's screen, please, because she's in her trade and about to hit TP. I actually took off my order for a long. How do we have 700 viewers? What's happening, chat? I'm confused.
They can't buy viewers, right?
Well, there could be bots, but it went up organically, so that's not the issue. You can see how active the chat is. Chat wouldn't be active if it was bot viewers.
True. All right, we just hit the full 2R. Let's go. Money gun, fake money gun, because I don't have one.
Hey, here you go, money gun for Celine. Beep. It's not working. Shit. Let me take out the batteries and put them in again. That's gonna fix things. Let's see. Put a W in the chat for Celine, chat.
Woo!
Here you go.
Money gun.
Now I gotta pick it up from the floor again. Shit. Look, you know, the money gun for me is like a love-hate relationship. It is a love-hate relationship.
I really got to get one of those, but I don't like the cleanup part.
Yeah, it sucks. Trust me. But, you know, it's kind of worth it. Kind of worth it.
I reckon this is just, I mean, guys, who is these? NASDAQ looks like it just wants to dump here. I don't know what's happening.
London lad says, train the cat to pick up the money. That's actually smart. That's smart. I like that. I do like that.
All right, is it time for the giveaway?
Is it?
Is it?
Is it, chat? Okay. We're going to pick 3 winners. 3 winners for the 50K growth account giveaways. We're going to do one after each other right away. Are you out of your trade yet? Yeah. That's why I shut the money gun. Dummy. All right. Here we go, chat. I'm going to pull up the wheel of names. Hey. Bugging. There we go. Okay. First winner. And by the way, chat, if you win, make sure you tag me in the chat so I can actually see you there, because right now the chat is super, super active. So don't just say anything random. If you get the W, make sure you tag me. First winner of a 50K growth account is DB Futures N7C. DB Futures N7C. Type something in the chat really quick. You are the first winner. If you didn't fill it out more than once, let me check. Nope, only once, so that's good.
Congratulations.
Okay, DB Futures there, tagging me. Perfect. This is how it's done. Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description so we can reach out to you. Okay, that was the first winner. Second winner is... Second winner is... Gary Baza or Beza. Gary Beza, Gary Baza, where you at? Tag me in the chat, please. Tag me in the chat.
Congrats, Gary. Is that Gary from our leaderboard?
No, this is a Gary, not a Gary.
Oh, sorry, Gary. Gary.
Gary Baza is in the chat. Nice. All right, I found you. Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Okay, I see it's already there, so that's perfect. Now let's pick a third winner. Oh my God, Nick is gonna kill me, but hey, I'm gonna do it anyways. Third winner, 50K growth account is Epic Trade C4V. Epic Trade C4V. Make sure you tag me in the chat really quick. Epic Trade C4V. Where are you at? Epic Trades C4V.
Are you here? Claim your prize.
Uh-oh. Epic Trades. No. Epic Trades, where are you at? Come on. You have 1 more minute to claim your prize.
Oh, he's here.
He's here? Nice. I'm just actually adding this order again. This looks nice. Where is he at? I can't see him. Oh,
he
there.
Said yes.
Epic Trades C4V, is that you? Oh yeah, good, found you. Cool. Also same for you. Make sure you add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Chat, if you just won one of the 50K growth accounts, make sure you have your email added and then give us up to 7 days to send you your accounts. It's gonna take up to 7 days.
Congrats, everybody. This has been like crazy killer stream. 3 accounts. Everything's happening.
Okay, I just sent your info to background Nick, everybody. All right, I should be in this trade now, by the way. Yep, I did get filled.
Nice.
So we might be able to make money on both ends here, both sides. This
would be an ideal situation, taking the money on the way down and then you taking the money.
Hey, especially after yesterday, right? Especially after yesterday where we got stopped out. Fucking break even, both of us.
Yeah, that was awful, really.
That was indeed.
But it looks like it'd be pretty funny if I bottom tick that and now it goes all the way up.
That would be very funny. I do agree. All right, I got my target set. Everything is set.
Lulu, yes, back-to-back winning trades from me and Nick. That would be killer. And 3 accounts given away. Like, this is this is fire stream. Would be a good bounce from the 1 hour FVG again. Parmeet. The 1 hour FVG. Oh yeah, we have tapped into that bullish 1 hour FVG. So yeah, technically we could just see this pump now. I definitely am still looking at the 822, the high from last Thursday on NASDAQ as the level. Where's your TP, Nick?
I'm actually just marking it out on the charts for everybody to see. So entry was 25,793.50. Stop loss is at 25,769.75. And then TP is at 25,841. I'm in 1NQ chat. But I'm gonna move to break even once I hit my 1 hour. 1 hour is 817. Then I'm going to move to 1 hour once we hit 29.50 and 2 hours, 2 hour. Let's see if we can get that.
Lydia, yes, I do trade using ICT concepts. But also I think there's other names for the things I trade, the gaps and the different sweeps, PO3, I think some people call it AMD. It's all the same.
Yeah, Roki, this trade would pass the 0 to hero challenge account. But to be fair, if you guys followed every trade I took on the 0 to hero challenge account, you would have already passed your account. Because I took a $700 loss when I accidentally traded the 0 to hero account in the New York stream, which obviously that's not part of the plan. And you didn't take that trade. So you should have passed the account about a week ago. Just saying.
Did anyone follow all those trades? Has anyone passed through? That's pretty sick.
Actually, good question. Who passed the 0 to hero account? Because you should have if you followed my trades. Should have.
The sun has gone down already in Bali and it's really dark in here. I might
Yeah,
try
I
turning this.
just saw it. It looks really dark over there.
I'm just gonna turn this on.
We're getting the push now. As said, once we reach 1725, that's when I move break even. That's the plan. I like this. I really like this.
Wow, this would be fire. I think our bottom ticked and then you get your TP.
Hey, that would be great. Yeah, you had a nice TP there.
Yeah. I mean, coming after yesterday, I think I redeemed it. I think
Oh, you redeemed it? Nice.
I think I redeemed it.
I like that word, redeem it.
You're getting the itch?
Hey, I'm tweaking over here.
Well, seeing as NASDAQ really NASDAQ'd me yesterday out of that TP, I think we deserve it,
We
chat.
both got NASDAQ yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Hey, RF, you passed your 0 to hero account? Nice. That's awesome. Bull trader, you're in a long now? Nice. Me too. Me too.
That's cool, Roki. I know, like, we just love having you here. We all trade different strategies, and it's just cool to be able to trade with you guys. Because, I mean, if you're trading on your own, it's definitely trading can be super lonely because literally just you and the chart. So it's so fun that we get to do this with you guys.
True.
So we love having you here.
True. Mara says, I trade my strategy and just watch you guys. You're like a podcast. I love that. That's great. Hopefully it adds value to you. Come on, give me the push through the highs here. The push through the highs would make us move stop to break even, so that would be perfect. Then it's at that point, it's a risk-free trade.
Yeah, I think you should be sweet if it gets up above 810, 810-ish.
RF, you're already doing the funded account? Nice. How much are you up on the funded?
Oh, nice. From the 0 to hero challenge. That's sick.
Christian says, best trading morning show ever. Hey, we appreciate it.
Let's go. We love having you here.
Everybody just left a nice comment. I see you guys. Bull Trader, I see you. Lydia, I see you. Well, Lydia, you should just complained about being on paper. Joker, you're up 1.8K on the Zero to Hero funded account. Nice.
Nice.
Joel, and TP is actually at 2R, so I might just manually close it once we pass the account. Actually, you know what? I am going to set my target at when we pass. So that's $500 from here. Actually, a bit more. 500. Now it's 500. Okay. So 98.5. Let's do 825. Then we for sure pass it. So the visual P&L tool here shows you my trade, how it would be, but I'm going to take profit earlier at 825 due to the fact that it passes the account. Ursula says, Nick, put your magnet up there. Oh, shit. Yeah, I forgot. Sorry. Wait, here you go. Gotta put that magnet up there. There we go. All right, come on.
Come on, NASDAQ.
Oh, we also need to rocket. True. There we go. Rocket straight up. I learned that from Nick. Nice. Futurize, how did I decide the final TP? Just a 2R.
The trader guy, yeah, I have my own strategy, but you guys are like the podcasts we can learn a lot from, which wish I was more robotic like you guys. I'm an emotional wreck some days. The trader guy, to be honest, we are still a human. I mean, as you guys don't
you're
think
not
I
human,
am. But
Celine, what the fuck?
I mean, not me, but Nick is human. But yeah, like it can get emotional. I mean, the only thing I changed in my trading was just made my strategy a bit more mechanic so I could cut the emotion out. But trading is tough, and I'd be lying if I said, yeah, some days it doesn't get to me, but we love having you here. And yeah, even if you just have us in your ears while you're trading, we love having you.
As long as you can hear us, everything is fine. Andrea, hell yeah, that is the proper strategy. Rocket on the bottom, magnet on top.
Let's go, NQ.
Yeah, it looks like it wants to range here. If it continues to range, then yeah, this is going to be ugly. Roki, Nick, how do you manage risk if you're trading only with one mini? Like one trade, you risk more than other trades. Sometimes SL is 10 points, but sometimes 23 points. Hope you know what I mean. Yeah, I know what you mean. It depends on the setup, you know. If I can take a trade with a 10-point setup, 10-point stop loss setup, I will do that. And if it has to be 30 points or 25 points like now, then so be it. Then I do that. I just always go for a 2R, except if the stop loss would be like super large, then I go for a 1R.
Do you have like a max stop loss in London?
Yeah, like max, absolute max is 30 points.
Yeah. Yeah, same. Market Maker Mario, 1.5K on London session. That's not bad on personal NQ.
That's
on
fire.
Personal NQ paid using the range to take trades. Nice.
That is fire.
I'd be happy with that.
Oh, I think the reason why the trade didn't go up yet is because the text is red. I'm making it green now, so now it should go up.
Market Maker Mario, can you do something here for my co-host?
Can you please push it up? Please.
Come on.
All right, chat. 9:30 UK is approaching. So, Celine, any last words you got for them?
Guys, thank you so much for joining. It is so sick to see that we are slowly growing here in the London session. Like crazy that we had like how many today? Over 500?
759 peak.
That is wild, like insane. We love you guys, and happy that I redeemed myself from yesterday. Finally got the W there and my TP full hit. But for you guys, stay safe in this. Looks like it's just going to range, but trade your system and then you can never fail. That's what I say. So yeah, good luck in these markets. And if I take anything else after the session, I will post on my social medias.
Hell yeah. Nice. All right, chat. Put a W in the chat if you love the stream. Put an L in the chat if you absolutely hated it. We guys are looking forward to see you tomorrow for another London session stream at 8 a.m. UK time. But if you're awake at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, then make sure you tune into the New York stream later today. That's going to be a blast. That's in about 4 hours from now. So looking forward to see you there, and love you all. See you soon. Peace out.